So whenever you run your report, whenever you run your report or dashboard, directly it will fetch the data from the data, not from the database. Already it's there in the Qlikview. So your report performance also will be fast. This is the second advantage. Another third advantages of Qlikview means in Qlikview you can pull the data from any sources. If you are having idea of other BI tools, you can take only from relation sources. But in
Okay.
Qlikview, even you can take the data from the ERP sources like all the SAP kinds of ERP sources, and even from Salesforce also you can pull the data. But those require one additional third-party connectors will be there, which you need to buy those connectors. And once you buy that connectors, even you can pull the data from the different kinds of ERP sources. So these three are the main advantages, and even the tool licensing cost is also somewhat less to the other reporting tools. So
Okay,
these
it's
are the main
compatible.
features, compatible and flexible. These are the advantages of Qlikview. So first
Okay.
we can see the major basic components of Qlikview.
Mm-hmm.
Qlikview components.
Okay.
Mainly Qlikview components. So you will have one is Qlikview desktop. We call it. It's a Windows-based component. So
Mm-hmm.
Windows-based component means you might be having a Windows-based component means it must be installed on your system or laptop wherever you are working.
Correct.
So it's a Windows-based component. So here you do your development and design. Everything will be done here. So your
Mm-hmm.
development plus design will be done in this Qlikview desktop.
Mm.
Development and design. So that's why we have Qlikview developer and Qlikview designer.
Okay.
Totally three different kinds of roles will be there in Qlikview. One is this here, Qlikview developer and Qlikview designer will come under Qlikview desktop, Qlikview developer
Mm-hmm.
and Qlikview designer.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the Qlikview desktop. Go to here. This is the Qlikview desktop. It's a Windows-based component. How it looks like the main window. Next is other two components are there. Qlikview server and Qlikview publisher. So Qlikview server and Qlikview publisher. So this comes under, it's a web-based component. Web-based component means your server will be in UK or US or anywhere, and you will be accessing it with the help of one URL. It's a web-based component, Qlikview
Okay.
server.
Mm-hmm.
So this comes under Qlikview admin related work. Suppose if you are working in a team, if you
Mm-hmm.
are having 4-5 members team size means 4 will be the developers who will
Uh-huh.
be working on the developer and designer. One will be the
Mm-hmm.
admin guy who will take
Admin.
care of all the admin related kind of activities.
Right. Okay.
Okay, these are the basic components of Qlikview we can say. Windows Qlikview
Uh-huh.
desktop, server and publisher. So this server and publisher will come under only one component. So two will
Okay.
be merged in one component. So first we will cover all the Qlikview developer concepts, Qlikview desktop concepts. So
Sure.
once we finish about the Qlikview developer and designer, later if you cover about the Qlikview admin means you can easily understand. So first if you cover Qlikview server means you cannot understand anything.
Okay.
So first we
Mm-hmm.
will cover all the Qlikview desktop, what is Qlikview developer designer, what kind of roles we will do, how we connect to the data and how we pull the data and all we can do. So in the
Mm-hmm.
final sessions we will discuss about the Qlikview server and publisher. This Qlikview
Okay.
server and publisher. So these are the basic components. So any doubts on these components?
So
Clear?
far, no. Yes.
So next we have different versions of Qlikview in the market. So what and from starting from which version the Qlikview was there and all, we can see the different versions of
Correct.
Qlikview. So starting from 8.5 we have the version 8.5 is there, and 9 is there, 10
Mm-hmm.
and 11. Currently 11.2 is there. So
Mm-hmm.
previously 10 was morely used. So right now 11 and 11.2 is used in every organization, 11 or 11.2. So
Okay.
compared to 10 and 11, there are many differences in
Mm-hmm.
the features of 10 and 11. Many differences will be there. So those differences I will tell you while we are covering each and every concept. This is the new feature of Qlikview 11. So like that we
Okay.
can discuss. 11,
So,
11.2, all the same only. Just
okay.
some
There
latest
are
version
some
they have.
modifications. So which
Uh,
year this Qlikview has started? With like in the market from last 5 to 6 years or more than that?
Morely 6 years, 5 to 6 years back only it started. Previously also it was
Okay.
there, but it was not that much flexible and not compatible. So
Mm-hmm.
recently only it started. 5, 6 years back only it started.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this is the different versions. Apart from versions, you will have different service releases also. So like that,
Mm-hmm.
right now service release 10 is there. You have right now, if you can see my Qlikview desktop we have which I installed, I can go to help here and go to about Qlikview here, and I can get
Uh-huh.
the version 11.2. SR8 means it's a service release. So for
Acha.
each one, they will do some minor, some simple modifications they will change, and they will give the service release 8 or something.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
so like that service. Currently now SR10 is there. So I am using SR8. So
Acha.
I have installed. So currently in market now SR10 is there. Hello.
Okay. Okay.
So these are the different service releases. So apart
Mm-hmm.
from in Qlikview, you have two different kinds of softwares.
Mm-hmm.
32-bit version will be there.
Mm-hmm.
64-bit will be there.
Mm-hmm.
So what is this 32-bit, 64-bit means? As I said, Qlikview is an in-memory tool.
Mm-hmm.
So based upon your operating system with what you are using, you need to install the softwares. So once if you
Okay.
see the Qlikview softwares, you will find 32-bit separately, 64-bit separately. Suppose
Okay.
if you are using a Windows 7 machine, which is
Uh-huh.
having 32-bit bit means, you need to install this one. If you are
Okay.
using Windows 7 with 64-bit means, you need to install the 64-bit software. If you are using Windows 8 means, default it will be 64-bit only.
Acha.
Like that you need to install. Suppose if you can see here, mine is Windows 7 64-bit version. So that's why
Uh-huh.
it is showing here 64-bit edition.
64. Okay. Mm-hmm.
64-bit. So these are the different bits. Next in Qlikview, you have Person Edition will be there and License Edition will be there. Softwares. Qlikview Person Edition is one
Mm-hmm.
software.
Okay.
Qlikview Personal Edition and Qlikview License Edition.
Okay.
So when you are working with any organization, there you cannot use Personal Edition. You will be
Personal. Okay.
using only license only. Qlikview Personal Edition means the one you can get from the Qlikview community. So where you
Directly from the
download from the
website. Yeah.
Qlikview community, that is a Personal Edition one. But options wise, whatever the reporting options are available, all options will be there in these both versions, whether
Acha.
it is
Okay.
Personal Edition or License Edition. So if you
Uh-huh.
can see, mine is a Personal Edition. That's why I don't have license key. So
Okay.
license key, license to so and so organization, those details are there, not there because it is edition. So
Mm-hmm.
what is the difference means only one Personal Edition will have some limitations.
Okay.
So
Like?
what are the
Yeah.
limitations means? I will show you. Normally this will save an application or dashboard in Qlikview. Suppose if you say this is one of the sample dashboard or application we say in Qlikview. The
Okay.
application name is sample29.qw.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose this you have developed in the Qlikview license edition,
Okay.
and if you have developed in the license edition, and if you try to open this application in the personal edition, it
Personal.
won't open. It won't open.
Oh, because you need some
The one which you have developed in the personal license edition will not open in the personal edition.
personal
But
edition. Mm.
if you have developed whatever in the personal edition, it will open in the license edition.
Okay.
So that is the limitations of this Qlikview personal edition.
Okay.
And one more
Right.
limitations you can say means, suppose you have installed Qlikview personal edition on your system,
Uh-huh.
and you have done some sample applications.
Mm-hmm.
So applications will look like this. So you have done many sample applications like this.
Mm-hmm.
You have practiced something and you have done some dashboards. And
Mm-hmm.
suppose your system got crashed and you have uninstalled the Qlikview, and again you have installed the new Qlikview personal edition.
Okay. Okay.
At that time also, if you try to open this one, it won't open.
In the personal.
Personal, because in a personal edition for each installation it will give one unique key. So for
Acha.
next installation, for different key will be there. So that key and this key will not match, and the application will not open. So that is
Okay.
the another limitations of Qlikview.
Mm-hmm.
Personal
But
edition.
in
License
license
edition does
edition,
not
you
have.
can.
Any number of times any application you can open.
Oh, that means both their IDs are matching. Is it
Yeah,
that the
both.
reason?
Yes, both IDs will be matching. License edition,
Matching.
any application you can open. Only personal
Oh,
edition will have that kind of limitations.
okay. But if in case I have any application or dashboard in personal edition that I want to open using license edition, because let's say at home I have personal edition, at office I have license edition, and I'm
You can
creating a
open.
dashboard.
You can open. Suppose you have practiced something in personal edition. You can
Right.
send your office some mail ID, or you can directly open in the license edition.
Oh, we can open.
You can open, it's not a problem. Only personal edition will have limitations. Suppose if you are
Limitation.
developed in your office one in license edition, if you try to open in that in license personal edition, it will
Personal edition. Oh,
work.
there's no way to do it, or that's the hard stop, is it?
That is the way, no way to do it. You need to get
No
the
way
license
to do it.
edition.
Okay, okay,
Because
fine.
license.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.